you a recipe tonight using our veggie of the week, asparagus. So this is the time of the year that asparagus is in season, in late spring, early summer. And when you buy your asparagus, it often has a dry tip to it. So you just snap that off. Then you wash your asparagus thoroughly so you're getting off all the residue, dirt, sand that might be on there before you start preparing your recipe. So tonight we're going to be making asparagus with a lemon cream sauce. So the first step is to saute some sliced asparagus. So I've sauteed this in olive oil, some sliced asparagus with some green onion. I did that already because that takes about 10 to 12 minutes ahead of time. And then I'm going to make the cream sauce. So the cream sauce uses ricotta cheese, and this is part skim milk ricotta cheese. And then I'm going to add some freshly grated lemon zest, and then a little bit of the water that was used to cook the pasta to give it a little more thinning quality there. Mix that together to make the sauce. And of course you would do this while your water was hot. And I can already smell it's a nice fresh scent there with the lemon in the sauce there. Then we're going to add our pasta. What I've done is I've just cooked some pasta. You can use any kind of pasta. You can use gluten-free, whole wheat, whatever your family likes. I'm going to mix the pasta in there to the cream sauce. And asparagus is a great vegetable that's high in fiber, high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. So it's a great addition, and it's good to get it while it's fresh and in season. So let me add the vegetables, our asparagus, and our onion that's been sauteed in our olive oil, which is a nice healthy oil, to put that together. Okay. Mix that together. And then I'm going to top it with some salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of basil too, chopped up. Some salt, some pepper, just depending on what your family likes, how much of those spices to put in. A little bit of fresh basil sprinkled on top for garnish. And we have a really delicious light summer side dish. Our asparagus with lemon cream sauce. And this and other recipes can be found on our website at extension.udel.edu. You just look under Nutrition, Food Safety, and Health, and then click on the healthy recipes at the bottom of the page. And you'll see this and a library of many other recipes to enjoy for your family.